This training is intended to help you prepare and pass the ITIL-4 exam. The ITIL Foundation is a requirement for many government agencies while working as a consultant or defense contractor. You should practice vocabulary and key terms, definitions to be ready for the test. This is the third of 10 sets in the series, so let's get started. Customer. A customer is the person who defines the requirements for a service and takes responsibility for the outcomes of service consumption. What is customer experience? Customer experience is the sum of functional and emotional interactions with a service and service provider as perceived by a service consumer. What is dashboard? Dashboard is a real-time graphical representation of data. It is deliver and support. Deliver and support is in the value chain activity that ensures services are delivered and supported according to agreed specifications and stakeholder expectations. What is demand? It is input to the service value system based on opportunities and needs from internal and external stakeholders. What is deployment? Deployment is the movement of any service component into any environment. What is deployment management practice? Deployment management practice is the practice of moving new or changed hardware, software, documents, processes, or any other service component into the live environment. What is design and transition? And transition is in the value chain activity that ensures products and services continually meet stakeholder expectations for quality, costs, and time to market. What is design thinking? Design thinking is a practical and human-centered approach used by product and service designers to solve complex problems and find practical, creative solutions that meet the needs of an organization and its customers. What is development environment? Development environment is an environment used to create or modify IT services or applications. What is DevOps? DevOps is an organizational culture that aims to improve the flow of value to customers. DevOps focuses on culture automation, lean measurement, and sharing. CALMS is the acronym. Digital transformation. Digital transformation is the evolution of traditional business models to meet the needs of highly empowered customers, with technology playing an enabling role. Disaster. Disaster is a sudden, unplanned event that causes great damage or serious loss to an organization. A disaster results in a failure to provide critical business functions for a period of time. Disaster recovery plans. Disaster recovery plans is a set of clearly defined plans related to how an organization will recover from a disaster as well as return to a pre-disaster condition, considering the 4 dimensions of service management. Driver. Driver is something that influences strategy, objectives, or requirements. Is effectiveness. Is efficiency. Efficiency is a measure of whether the right amount of resources have been used by a practice, service, or activity. What is emergency change? Emergency change is a change that must be introduced as soon as possible. What is engage? Engage in the value chain activity that provides understanding of stakeholder needs, transparency, continual engagement, and good relationships with all stakeholders. What is environment? Environment is a subset of the IT infrastructure that is used for a particular purpose. For example, a live environment or test environment. The external conditions that influence or affect flow of information. In conclusion, this is Ray, the ITIL guy. I hope you found this useful in your preparation for ITIL 4. See the description below for more information and training videos.